Hello, people of the interwebs. Today we're gonna make an easy, quick, and tangy barbecue sauce. I'm Chef Cash White, and I'm here today because God delivered me from my circumstances and put me in a place where I can share my love of cooking with you. Guys, thank y'all so much for stopping by my page. We're here to really share a lot of family-friendly recipes, things that are easy, things you can throw together and not take too much time in your kitchen, spend more time with your family. If you like what we're doing and you want to see more of our recipes, scroll down just a little bit, click the subscribe button, click the little bell next to it, and it'll give you a notification every time we post something new. On Facebook, make sure you follow us or click like. Let's get cooking. So today what we're making is an amazing, quick, and easy barbecue sauce. Summertime is upon us, so the idea is to be able to do something quickly so you can have fun playing with the kids outside if you like. So we're just gonna do a quick 7-ingredient barbecue sauce. It doesn't require any cooking. You can use it on chicken. We do a Dr. Pepper pulled pork video that has this sauce on it. We have a rib video that you can do in your kitchen, in the oven. You don't even have to get the fire started. It's delicious, it's smoky, it's sweet. So we're gonna start with our 7 ingredients. It's very simple. 1 cup of ketchup, a ½ cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, and another teaspoon of spicy hot sauce. I use tapatio. If you want something that has a little more vinegar, you can use Tabasco, Cholula. They're all great. I just prefer the flavor of the tapatio. All right. Now that we have all of our ingredients in there, we're just gonna get a whisk. We're gonna get a nice little mix together until that sugar dissolves and all the granules of all those other things kind of come together into a nice barbecue sauce. That's it, guys. Let's get a spoon and taste it. All right, so here we go. Delicious. It's perfect. You can make it like this. If you want to get the rest of the granules out, you can cook it just a little bit on the stove to incorporate all the ingredients. I like it just like this. Great to cook with. Put it in a jar, throw it in your refrigerator, take it out, dip French fries in it. You guys know I love me some barbecue sauce. So there you go. It's our quick and easy barbecue sauce. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please type them in our comments below. Make sure that you let us know if you like this video. If you have any suggestions for other videos, let us know down there as well. And always remember, the most important part of what we're doing is keep the faith, enjoy the food. Thank you guys, love you.